Arrays are very important data structures. Array is a list of elements which has the same data type. For example, an array can consist of numbers. In this example, we have an array myNumbers and it consists of 3, 4, 15, 9, and 10. The elements are separated by comma and they are represented in between square brackets. Another good example for an array could be strings. So in the array myNames consists of 3 strings, Jen, Ali, and Max. So these 3 elements, as you see, are represented in between double quotes, representing a string. We could have also used single quotes, and it's good to be consistent either way. So if you started with double quotes, ending with double quotes, if you started with single quotes, ending with single quotes, and so on. So let's say that we would like to visit each and every element for this array. So let me go ahead and run that. For I in myNumbers, so we are saying for element in myNumbers, print each and every element. So let's go ahead and run that. As we see, we are printing each and every element, 3, 4, 59, and 10. So what about if we wanted to print this in a reverse order? So we would be saying for I in reversed myNumbers, print I. And this time, as we will see, it will start from printing from the last element. So 10, 9, 54, and 3. So say that I would like to add a element to my array. So how do I do that? I do that by saying myNumbers.append. Append is the addition function, 5. And as we see, it will add 5 to the end. Here, my numbers are now added a 5 towards the end. So what about if I want to delete that number? What do? I use this function called delete. And then I have to give the index of that number. So in this case, we can give the index of -1, which represents the last number of the array. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. And as we see, 5 disappeared from the array. Sometimes we would like to apply a function to each and every element of an array. For example, I want to take the square of each and every element. So how do I do that? First of all, it will be an array. So I'm adding my squared brackets. And then I'm writing my operation. For every element, take the square for I in myNumbers. Let's go ahead and run that. And this will be an example of a list comprehension. As we see in the squared array, each and every element is now squared. So these are some of the basic operations we can do with a data structure array.